Do you plan on looking like an Instagram baddie this Eid? If you want a glowy, flawless makeup this Eid, if that's what you're aiming for, you can watch it.
The first thing to do is to moisturize your face. I'm using Blossom Moisturizer, then go in with a serum. To further moisturize my face, then I'm going to go into primer, and I'm using Becca Primer to mattify my face. After that, I'm going into foundation, and I'm using V Beauty foundation, which I'm going to be blending using a foundation brush. You can use a beauty blender as well. After foundation, you want to go ahead and conceal. I'm using the Flawless Ivy Concealer. I'm just going to apply it under my eyes, my forehead, my chin, the bridge of my nose. I'm going to be blending it using a small blending brush, but a beauty blender works as well. I'm going to be using very little foundation and concealer for this look because we are going for a natural glowy finish. For blush, I use an orange lipstick from my lipstick palette as my blush. Now, I'm just setting the concealer using a compact powder. Before setting under your eyes, you need to make sure you blend the concealer again to prevent any line before setting with powder. After that, I'm just going to set the rest of my face with the powder, then moving on to contour. To contour my face, I'm just going to be using a powder that is a little bit darker than my skin tone, and I'm using that same shade to contour my nose as well. The next step is to bake. I'm baking my face using setting powder from Nuban Beauty. I'm using very little for baking and reverse contour. Then I'm going to go ahead and dust out the powder using a fluffy powder brush. So guys, at this point we are done with the base work, and next is eyebrows. So I'm just filling and drawing my brows using the V's eyebrow pencil, using a spoolie to brush out the brows, then concealing the brows using Flawless Ivy concealer and a flat concealer brush. So guys, after your brows, the next thing is to do your eyeshadow. I'm going to be doing a very simple soft eye look. I'm going to start by taking the matte orange color, which I'm going to be applying into my crease. Then I'm going to go in with a brown matte color, and I'm going to apply that over the first one. On my lid, I'm going to be using a matte black eyeshadow to smoke it out. I'm just going to be mixing those same colors under my eye. Then I'm going to be applying a black eye pencil in my waterline and to line my lid also. I went ahead to sharpen my eyeshadow with setting powder, and then moving on to the lips. I'm using a brown pencil from Davies to line my lips, and I went into a nude lipstick from Bicham Ageless Lipstick Palette. Blended the two colors together with a brush and my finger. Then I went on to apply lip gloss to get that glassy shiny effect. I dust off the setting powder under my eyes using the compact powder, and I reapplied my blush using shadow from Sylvie Mac. After that, I applied MS Matic Glow Balm to get that dewy glow, applied mascara and spray my face using Kiss Beauty setting spray. So guys, this is the finished look. Follow for more.